Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add alphabetic number list to a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I will add here capital alphabetic number list and smaller alphabetic number list. Click on this edit option. Now select edit text option. Now click on this text box. As this text box text now showing and press Ctrl A, select whole text box or drag your mouse, select specific text or line. Now click on this right side arrow bar and click this number list option, and here you will find this alphabetic number list capital, and also you will add here smaller alphabetic number list and see this, and click here and this one also and see this. In this way you can add alphabetic number list or serial number to your PDF file and see this. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.